Una good evening. I greet all of una. I come meet Enogie, make I fit talk to am. Now my house get destroyed. Man know wetin he won't tell me. They say Enogie don't enter house by this time. Let me check time for me, abeg. Look time for me. 5:50. 5:50. They not feel allow me see Enogie where sell land for me. They not feel allow me see him. For 5:50 they say a don sleep. For this time. So me now I dey restless. Where they fall now, me never do my how they want to do my things. Like the one I did like this. Like power fine. Man carry my visit for myself. What be say? See, man tell me I want to me pass. I want to me pass. See, I'm a house where they destroy with this. Like palace with this. Like palace with this. Where they tell me say you don't sleep by this time. See me, man. What did you have to? I can't meet you, man. Talk me, tell you how. Sir, did you not do that? What did you have? What did you have? Me, tell me, sir. This is the first call. Sir, I want to do your thing. You talk to me, but I don't call you this morning. I come here, I don't meet you. I come here, you don't meet me. I say you sit there. What did you say there? What did you say there? I want to meet them for sex. Take boring book. I mean, got a dead woman. Go and continue your protest. And your own dey fight. And your own dey fight. I'm fighting the entirety of my community. And it's the fight to everybody. Go and do what you are doing. Go and do what you are doing. Your pain no reach my own. Your pain no reach my own.
Not be 2 hours, not be 3 hours, not be 10 hours, 50 hours. And they destroy. Listen, all those people that came out for you, they feel like I've been supposed to get a side. See, I never this one I feel properly like they are just coming. Just the entire.
Fellow Nigerians, I greet you now. I greet everybody. Oba Atokpeye, Commissioner of Police, Nigeria Union of Journalists, I beg you now. The governor of Edo State, Governor Okpewolo, I thank you for the good work you do. I beg, listen to this my request. Now I beg I did. Since morning I never feel rest. This shirt now I wear since morning up to now. I will this video too. I go meet the Enogie for a palace. Enogie not gree follow people where we say they protest go there. Why? Because he know what he do. See my house where he destroy. I go meet Enogie, say Enogie, I beg. Why you walk out to me pass? Enogie won't beat me. He say me not see how this thing they be. He just they talk with me, I don't know. Now beg me at the beg. Mona just hear me out. Now beg at the beg. I beg. Oba I talk by now beg at the beg. Mona cost with you. No. See my property. See how why it's so abused. See how why it's so abused. Now yeah, this morning I see because they call do video. Come on interview me. See now, see I don't even know where they will pack my things.
You need justice.
Now justice I just the beg for I beg. See my curtains there. People where they use school, they know all these things there. See my window. See my house. I never know they will pack my things full again. Now beg at the beg. I beg. Now beg at the beg. Oh, now beg. Now beg now I beg at the beg oh now. Commissioner of Police, they Enogie. I beg. At the beg Enogie worldwide. Enogie where they for everywhere. Mona help me ask the man. Wetin I do? Wetin make I go sell things where I know say this place get issue. You go sell them for me. If you tell me say this place get issue, I not go buy. I not go. I for even leave the land where they for financial level. Go do another thing. Look this house. Before they go build us from ground, little level, come go see reach up. If you tell me say my pikin not do, I do the electrical work, cause it do POP, do everything for this house. 6 times why I feel strong my house. Wanna help me, ask this man, see what I do. I beg, now beg I did. Say they do house where beside everywhere, beside so far built. See house why so far built, now just be like this, so see my house. Now Nigerian army, I don't know what you Enogie able to join, I don't know. The next time I reach Enogie house, I don't know if they talk. As they talk for you now, so now they hear me. But if I go and not get asked, now they cry. You do so if I reach, I don't even talk. I don't even ask not get anything. When they ask me, say, okay, what did the man talk? I can't say anything once I reach the palace. I don't know if they talk again. I don't be talk one thing. Now they cry or they come off my eye. If I say they talk now, so I feel talk. But if I reach not get palace, nothing. I don't feel utter one word. They go be like say I be Dundee. Now beg at the beg. Oba I talk by I beg at the beg. The governor of Edo State, Commissioner of Police, I beg at the beg. Now I'm gonna look into this matter. Now I beg I did. I meet you, they don't get this evening, say, okay, pa, how you want to do me? You wife tell me, say, you don't sleep for after 5. After 5, now you don't get wife tell me, say, you don't sleep. As I call they do video, because I video, I feel you all see do, many people sit here my cry. Say, do the video, now you can't come and say, what's me the video? What's be the problem? I say, pa, I get problem, because my hands, they don't fall out. Now you set the place on me, how you want to do me pass? Because if you tell me say this land get issue, I'm not gonna buy them, I'm not gonna pay, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna go invest money for another thing. Just look, my face now they fall like this. So see my compass, see the fence. See, fall out. This house, chairs there on here. This is my bedroom, my bed there here. My bed, my wardrobe, everything there is in this place. Once I inside there, look, they don't pack my car to go all over they put everything again. Mona help me now, beg I did. I beg, I beg all bodies, Mona help me. Mona help me. This will not be politics, so I beg, Mona help me. I don't know what I do. I beg. I beg on with anything. I beg, I beg. Commissioner of Police, please sit on my matter. AIG, please. I beg people from Abuja, those in diaspora, please. Don't worldwide. Please, this one a big taboo. I don't know what I do. Don't they break us or be be talking. But they not give blessing. They only hear people about word again. I beg, Mona help me. For sure they won't finish me. I don't even know it. I don't even talk again. I just speechless, nothing. I let beg if you talk. I use God ready forever. They beg now. Mona sit on my head. I beg. Now beg I did. Now beg. Mona just help me out. I don't know how I want you to help me. Me they just see post and share this video, please. Me they come to my restaurant. Just justice I fight for. I don't want trouble. I don't even each person you know cannot be the toy. If I go to palace, I'm speechless. I don't know if I just see once I don't reach that palace, I can't say any word again. Whether I do something for me or I don't know. I don't know if you talk. See, they are processing before they break us. If they will come and say, young man, this is a soldier land. I will not build that put for inside. I go school. I know how they do these things. If they're writing person, they don't this place now, a soldier land. I will not build pass. I will not even try them. Even I say the little level, say, they tell me say this land, now soldier land. I will not waste my money. I will carry, I will just use the other money to do other thing. So first, people know this thing before this country. I buy a million, I plaster the ass, everything and they all do for man like this. I know for fun, I will not waste money for if I know. And don't get deceive me, oh. No, say na so your land go they say, I don't know. Mona help me. Mona help me, I beg. Any other one fit help me. I don't know, now they hear the story small. I beg, I don't fit help me. I beg. Now beg I did. Commissioner of Police, the Enogie where they for Benin. The ones where they active, I beg. Because if they protest, if community get issue, Enogie not go, it dey palace, it has there, it dey smoke. I don't know, now beg I did. If in a best way be say they think of a community at heart, the community go protest, he not go follow them. Mona help me ask that question. This man will come and say, okay, young man, okay, this is the problem, okay, this is how I want to solve it. He not fit do all those ones. Mona help me ask him, I beg. See, that's why I just suffer, build all my time, all my years of what they do graphic design and printing. See, now they fall for my hand like this. Now beg, I beg. Now beg, I did. You not get waiting. Always say I don't labor for them be this one. I beg. May they give me justice for this lad. I don't know what I do. I beg, Enogie. I beg. Now beg, I did. I not get power. Now because I not come from this community. Houses there around. See house for them. Mona show them. They not for all these houses, so. Houses there for the street. See, I don't want for them. Not for them. Because I not come from this community, they made them for my house. If na my town, for 9 days, they for my house, I'll go meet king. I'll let them for God, they go hear me. I go palace and everyone answer me because I not be Enogie. Best they ask where they for. I need to give a listening here. They not even listen to me. If they pay me because I never ask what I labor for. Let me this work so. But I need not help me, I beg. When I ask him what I do, now wrong to whatever I learn for this community. Now wrong to. Now beg I did. Mona help me, oh. Mona help me. Commissioner of Police. Governor of Edo State. Now beg I did. AIG. Now beg I did. Anyone I want to help me. Mona help me. I beg I did because I did restless. I know people sleep. Since how many days they rob my office. I did run and they think of that one. That they form my house like this. Wetin now what I do for this country? Now for social 90, I don't even sleep. Mona help me, oh. Now beg I did. Mona help me. Mona help me. Now only what I be talk with that. Mona just help me. I beg now day. Mona just help me. Please. Now beg I did. This cry, if they touch me, I don't know what I be talk. But I know the pay where I be to tell you that's for this country. Yeah, you basically go out there and call and say don't fall yes. You know it's you. Mona help me. Mona help me. I beg I did. Mona help me for sure won't kill me. What's I live for again? I beg. Mona help me. Mona help me. I beg go. I beg.
You the answer, but you don't say you the answer. I tell you last time, say, you wait. I think tell them, I don't go there. I don't be cry. I think last time, maybe if you have to come, I don't feel something. Still come back. I don't tell you. If you vote for this one, we need the vote. Put your hand, we need the vote. You have a possibility.